This facial cleansing balm removes makeup and leaves mature skin feeling smooth, soft, bouncy and supple. This product perfects your face without the need for foundation. Watch this. Dot and tap. This brings mature skin back to life. Wear it like a very natural bronzer, but it gives a glow too. Smudge-Proof, ultimate length, ultimate volume mascara. Oh. That is crazy. Skin over 40 looks incredible with blusher, and this blush is possibly the most natural looking blush in the world. It makes cheekbones look higher and gives the face the most stunning, natural looking glow. This glossy nude lip look makes mature lips look their very fullest. First, we're going to line and fill to make the most of our lip shape. This helps lipstick stay on for longer. Then we apply this colour. Next, we elevate our lips with this gloss. Let's apply this makeup to this side. This facial mist hydrates and revitalises dull, dry, mature skin and refreshes the look of your makeup.